Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the class. Children, in our previous class, we read the story Kindness to Animals. Yes, Kindness to Animals. Today, we will do a quick recap of the story and then we will do the exercises. Children, we read the story Kindness to Animals. In this story, we talked about two boys, Satish and Ramesh. They had a pet dog, Moti. See, Moti. Ramesh and Satish were fond of Moti. They really liked Moti. One day, they went to the park early in the morning. They went to the park. Then a bird moved quickly from its nest. Then what happened? A bird darted suddenly from its nest. Then Satish said that, "Come Ramesh, there are some baby birds in the nest." What Satish said? That there are some baby birds in the nest. We should take them home. Then the old man said, "We must not take the baby birds away from the nest." Then Ramesh said, "Why we should not take the birds? We will take good care of them. We will give them food and we will take care of the birds." Then the old man said, "No, if you will take the baby birds, the mother bird will cry. We should be kind to the birds and animals. We must never hurt them. We must always be kind to animals." So, this is the story, children. Now we will do the exercises. First, say which of these statements are true or false. You have to say whether this is correct or wrong. If the statement is correct, then you have to write true, and if it is wrong, then you have to write false. Okay? A. The old man never hurts any animal. The old man in the story never hurts any animal. Is it true or false? Yes, you are correct. It's true. The old man never hurts any animal. B. Satish heard the baby birds cry. Satish heard the baby birds cry, children? No, so it's false. C. Ramesh was not fond of Moti. Ramesh was fond of his pet or not? Yes, he was fond of Moti. So the statement here is wrong. So write false. D. The mother bird suddenly flew away. The mother bird suddenly flew away. Is it right or wrong, children? Yes, it's correct. So write true here. E. Ramesh looked after the baby birds. Ramesh looked after the baby birds, children? Yes or no? No. So write false. F. Some animals and birds are our friends. Children, some birds or animals are our friends or all? So write false here. Second question, okay? And A. There are few questions, you have to answer them. We will give them food and we will look after them. Who said this? In this story, children, who said this statement? We will give them food and we will look after them. Yes, you are correct. Ramesh. Ramesh said this. So write Ramesh here. Why did he say so? And why did Ramesh said so? Because he wanted to take care of the baby birds. Because he wanted to take care of the baby birds. Okay. Question number 2b. If children take away the baby birds from the nest, what will happen to the mother bird? If children will take the baby birds, then what will happen to mother birds? Mother bird will cry, isn't it? So write mother bird will cry. 3. Here are some words and their opposites taken from the lesson. They are all mixed up. Rearrange them correctly in pairs. So, there are few words and their opposites here, and what we have to do is we have to match with their opposites correctly. Okay, so take out your colorful sketch pens or crayons. Okay, and then first of all we will do always. Always is forever. Okay, circle it with a particular color. Like I have made cloud. The opposite of always is never. Make cloud here with the same color and draw a line. Always, never. Black, white. Black, white. Cruel, kind. Cruel, kind. Give, take. Give, take. Here, there. Here, there. That's it, children. 4th question, children. Write down all the describing words in the following sentence. What we have to write are the describing words. Children, what are describing words? Think. You know this. What are describing words? Yes, words that tell us more about naming words. Words that tell us more about naming words are called describing words, like hot tea, big house. Okay? So, first of all, read this sentence, then we will underline the describing words from this sentence. There are some little birds in the nest with pretty black and white marks. So, the naming word is bird and little is describing bird. So, little, pretty, black, white. These words are describing the naming word bird. So, these are describing words. Write little, pretty, black and white. Okay. Question 4b. Fill in the blank space below with correct describing words from the list. So here we have the list of describing words and we have to write proper describing words in this blank space. Okay. The first one is an old man. An old man. A small nest. A small nest. A bright morning. A greedy monkey. A greedy monkey. A faithful dog. A faithful dog. A meek cow. A meek cow. That's it, children. Do these exercises neatly in your book. Okay? See you in the next class, children. Bye bye.